there, welcome to Codingfy. Now we are gonna give you a quick demo showing how you can create an NFT-Drop website in just 5 minutes. After logging into the platform, click Deploy New dApp. Then choose NFTs as the dApp type. Select NFT-Drop as the smart contract. Then we can pick a template for the website. Now we'll fill in the important data for our dApp and smart contract, like a name, a symbol, and an image for our NFT. As a demo, we are gonna use the tester network RinkBuy. After reviewing our input, click Deploy to publish the contract to the blockchain. It will take a few seconds before the transaction gets confirmed. We are almost there to have it up and running. There are just a few steps to follow. Step 1. Upload your NFTs. Here, we choose to batch upload several pictures. We also choose to review the NFT only when it's minted. Step 2. Complete the configurations, like when will the drop start, or how much each of the NFT will cost. Step 3. Tweak the website. We can change the look and feel of the website in the Website Studio. All the data you have given in previous steps has been carried over and integrated into the template you selected. We can adjust many aspects of the web page here. Let's change the text color as an example. Click Publish. Your own NFT-Drop website is now online. Let's check out how it looks like. To give it a try, we can mint an NFT ourselves. Just like all the other NFT-Drop websites, after we connect the wallet and click the Mint button, we will have the NFT minted. And you can already see the minted NFT appeared in your account on OpenSea. Now it's time to spread the word and bring everyone to claim your drops. So now we've created a brand new NFT-Drop website with smart contract and customized web page in less than 5 minutes. Thanks for watching.